Good morning, students. I am back with a new topic of geography, which is not new for you. This is chapter number 3, Mineral and Power Resources. Today I am explaining you this topic. First off, I am telling about the topics in the chapter. In this chapter, first topic is what is mineral or definition of minerals. Next, types of minerals, extraction of minerals, distribution of minerals in Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, and distribution in India. Next point, uses of minerals, conservation of minerals, power resources, conventional sources like firewood, fossil fuel, hydropower, and non-conventional sources of energy like solar energy, wind energy, nuclear energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy, biogas. So let us start. I explain one by one topic. First topic is what is mineral. Minerals are naturally occurring substances that have a definite chemical composition. This is definition of minerals. I repeat again. Minerals are naturally occurring substances that have a definite chemical composition. Minerals are formed different types of geological environment under varying conditions. Mineral can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness, and chemical property such as solubility. Minerals are distributed in rocks and seabed also. Tropical regions are very rich terms of mineral resources. Next topic is types of minerals. So, listen carefully. On the basis of composition, minerals are classified into metallic and non-metallic types. Look on the board. Number 1, metallic minerals classified into two types, ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous like iron ore, manganese, chemicals, chromite, and non-ferrous like gold, silver. Non-metallic minerals like limestone, gypsum, mica, and a third type of mineral, energy minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas. But on the basis of composition, minerals are classified into two types, metallic and non-metallic. It's so simple. Metallic minerals contain metals in raw form. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have luster of shine. For example, iron ore and bauxite. Metallic minerals are two types, ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals contain iron ore, manganese, and chromite. Most of the iron and steel industries and heavy industries depends on this mineral. Which type? Ferrous. Next one, non-ferrous mineral. Non-ferrous minerals do not contain iron but may contain some other metal like gold, silver, copper, or lead. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. For example, limestone, mica, gypsum, coal, and petroleum. Mining, drilling, and curing are the thread extraction methods of minerals. Next point is extraction of minerals. Tomorrow we will discuss about this topic, extraction of minerals and other topics. So that's it for today. Have a good day.